Hello students, we have studied packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. Now we are going to study packing efficiency in body centered cubic lattice. In body centered cubic lattice, there are two particles present in cubic cell. So one particle is present at the 8 corners of that cubic unit cell, and one particle is present in the center of that cubic unit cell like this, which touches another particles. One particle is present at 8 corners of that cubic cell, and one particle is present in the center of cubic unit cell. So here consider R as a radius of sphere. Consider R radius of sphere, and small a edge length of this cubic unit cell. Now in triangle FED, this is cubic unit cell. So angles are here. Angle FED is 90 degree. Angle FED is 90 degree. In triangle FED, angle FED is 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we will find FD. So this angle is 90 degree, so FD will be hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, FD square equal to FE square plus FD square. FD square equal to FE square plus DE square. So here FE square, FE is edge length, so it is A square, and also DE is edge length, so it will also A square. A square plus A square, 2A square, twice A square. In this way, FD square equal to twice A square. Consider as equation 1. Now in triangle AFD, in triangle AFD, see corner of one room which is like 10 by 10. So we will find such type of axis x, y and z, that corner. Then consider from bottom of one corner to upper side of another corner. So that will longest diagonal of that room in this way. So the F point is at the bottom of cubic unit cell, and here point A is the on upper side of that cube, which is longer than this FD. FD is also hypotenuse, and here AF is also hypotenuse. So in right angle triangle AFD, here angle ADF, this D is 90 degree. Angle ADF is of 90 degree. So again by using Pythagoras theorem, here AF is diagonal. So AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. AD square plus FD square. Here AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. So we know that what is AD? AD is edge length. AD is edge length. So AD equal to A square and FD square equal to, we have already find, that is twice A square. So A square plus twice A square equal to thrice A square. Thrice A square. So AF square equal to 3A square. Consider this as equation 2. So by taking square root, AF will root 3A. AF will be root 3A. But here from diagram we have to find what is AF. So see at the diagram, here R is the radius of sphere, this R, then here is whole sphere, so its diameter will be 2R, R plus 2R, and again radius of this sphere, so R plus 2R plus R, that will 4R from diagram. AF is equal to 4R. So here AF is equal to root 3A and AF equal to 4R. So R will be root 3 upon 4 into A. This is the relation between the radius and edge length in body centered cubic unit cell. This is very important formula. Relation between the radius and edge length in body centered cubic lattice. Now volume of sphere, we know that volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube. So put here value of R in terms of A. Put here value of R, radius of particle, in terms of A. So R is root 3 upon 4 into A. So 4 by 3 pi in bracket root 3 upon 4 into A, brackets cube. So it will be so 4 by 3 into pi, so root 3 cube, that is 3 root 3 into a cube and cube of 4 is 64. 4 into 4 into 4. So here 3 will get cancelled and here 16. So this 3 will get cancelled and so what will, so root 3 get cancelled, root 3 pi into a cube upon 16. Root 3 pi a cube upon 16. This is volume of sphere, means this is volume of only one particle. So total volume of two particles, so total volume of two particle will be multiply by 2. So total volume, of particles multiply by 2. In body centered cubic lattice there are two particles, one at 8 corners and one is present in the center of that body. So here 2 into root 3 pi a cube, root 3 pi a cube upon 16. So 2 8s are 16, that will root 3 pi a cube upon 8. So total volume of particles is root 3 pi a cube upon 8. Now packing efficiency. So volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell into 100. So volume occupied by these two particles is root 3 pi a cube upon 8, and total volume of unit cell, that was total volume of unit cell was a cube into 100. So here formula of packing efficiency is volume occupied by particles in unit cell into 100 upon total volume of unit cell. So root 3 pi into a cube upon 8 upon total volume a cube into 100. So that will be, after calculation, here a cube will get cancelled. Then root 3 pi into 100 upon 8. So that will be 68%, approximately 68%. In this way, packing efficiency or space occupied by particles in body centered cubic lattice is 68%. Now unoccupied space will be 100 minus 68. Unoccupied space will be unoccupied space or void will be 100 minus 68 is equal to 32%. See here again, consider R, radius of particle, small a, edge length. We here considered two right angles. First, FED. FED here, DF is hypotenuse, so FD square equal to FE square plus DE square, A square plus A square twice A square. Then second right angle is AFD. Here angle D is of 90 degree. Angle D is of 90 degree. So AF square equal to AD square plus FD square. So AD, edge length A square, and FD square we have here find from 1. So that is twice A square. This is from equation 1. So AF square equal to 3A square. So AF equal to root 3A. And here from diagram, AF is equal to R plus twice R plus R. So it is 4R. So comparing this to value of AF, we will get 4R equal to root 3A. So R is equal to root 3 upon 4 into A. Now volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So put here value of R in terms of A. So after calculation, here we will get volume of sphere root 3 pi into A cube upon 16. So it is actually volume of one particle. It is actually volume of one particle. That particle is spherical, so it is volume of one particle. Here we have written formula of volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then it is same. So here volume of one particle is 4 by 3 pi in bracket root 3 upon 4 A bracket cube. So it will volume of one particle. So there are two particles in body centered cubic unit cell. So total volume of particles root 2 into volume of one particle. So it is root 3 pi A cube upon 8. Now packing efficiency, volume occupied by particle in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell into 100. So after calculation, we will get 68%. And unoccupied space or void is 100 minus 68. So it will 32. So thank you.